welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam Punjabi and this is going to be another day, another vlog. मुझे एक्चुअली काफ़ी लेट हो चुका है व्लॉग स्टार्ट करने में. इट्स 2:30 PM राइट नाउ एंड मैंने काफ़ी देर से व्लॉग स्टार्ट किया है. बट एनीवे मुझे सबसे पहली चीज़ ये बतानी थी कि मैंने अमेज़ॉन से 2-3 दिन पहले अपने लिए एक एडल्ट कलरिंग बुक ऑर्डर की थी एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट देव सेंट मी. It's a 12th standard Navneet Digest and they've sent me 3 of those, which is so weird. I don't know what is with people messing up their orders, like seriously. So the other day I also put up a story on Instagram wherein this particular page जहाँ से मैंने अपने लिए एक शोल्डर बैग ऑर्डर की थी एंड उन्होंने मुझे गलत ऑर्डर सेंड किया एंड I showed them the picture. I told them, this is what I've received. And they were like, oh, we'll get back to you in some time, just give us a few days. And I kept reaching out to them for 1 whole week and they just did not respond to me at all. मैं उनको कब से बोल रही थी कि रिफ़ंड दे दो, ये बैग लेके जाके मुझे जो बैग, अगर रिफ़ंड नहीं देना ये बैग लेके जाओ एंड जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया वो दे दो. Nothing, they've not replied. I am gonna mention their pages down below. They have 2 pages. I have reported them. I've asked my friends to report them. I actually surprisingly even got a DM from one of their older customers जिसके साथ भी ये same fraud हुआ. They even blocked her out and she was like, I got messages from different people जो उनके customers रह चुके हैं and उनके साथ भी ये same fraud हुआ है. So like these people are doing this on purpose and so it's a request to you guys. जो मैं 2 Instagram pages नीचे mention कर रही हूँ, please go and report them and make sure you're not buying anything from them. Just please do this for me. It will be a huge help and ऐसे लोगों को ना really I don't know why do they even exist, but any which ways I don't want to spoil my mood on it. I actually received a Nykaa order. 1 second, let me show it to you. ये रहा. तो I'm gonna unbox this in front of you. Okay, so I just finished unboxing everything from my Nykaa box. तो मैं फटाफट आप लोग को दिखा देती हूँ मैंने क्या क्या ऑर्डर किया है. The first thing I've ordered is this K Beauty loose powder in the shade Latte. And then I ordered this Mama Earth's aloe vera gel. It's pure aloe vera gel and vitamin E. I was running out of my aloe vera gel तो इसलिए मैंने ये बड़ा वाला bottle order किया है. Then I ordered the Pack lightweight rejuvenating lotion. When I attended Anam's workshop, by the way, if you haven't checked out that vlog yet, please go ahead and check it out. It's the previous vlog before this. I will obviously link it down below. In that workshop, Anam had used this lotion to prep her face and so I got it for myself. Then I also got this LA Girl Pro Conceal corrector in the shade Peach. Again, something I got from Anam's recommendation. And then I got this Dr. Belmore's spot patch kit. Like you can tell, I have a few active acne over here which is really bad. I am going to tell you why has all this happened shortly, but उस चीज़ के लिए मैंने ये spot patches मंगाए अपने लिए. Then I got this Swiss Beauty shadow palette. This was only for 195 on Nykaa on sale. And this is what the color story looks like. मैंने अब तक इसको swatch नहीं किया है but ये काफ़ी promising लग रहा है. Second last thing I got is this Wet n Wild primer serum. This is how it looks like. It's a hydrating primer but now that I actually used it, मैंने अपने हाथ पे इसको ऐसे थोड़ा ऐसे ड्रॉप करके यूज़ किया. इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा glitters हैं, chunky glitter particles, which I'm not a very big fan of. I don't know if you can tell on camera, like even in the bottle इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स हैं, तो मुझे नहीं पता ये प्रोडक्ट like am I gonna regret buying this or not, I don't know. The last thing I got is this pack 204 eyeshadow blending brush. This is a really good blending brush. That's it. These are all the things I got from Nykaa. I'll catch you guys shortly. That's my lunch. एक रोटी, सब्जी and खूब सारा salad. I'm gonna finish this up and catch you guys super soon. Hi guys, I know आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे why so decked up all of a sudden. I just filmed a reel for Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me there, please go ahead and follow me. I just posted my first ever reel. It was for a giveaway that's being hosted on Anam's channel. So उसके लिए मैंने एक रील डाला है and it turned out so good. I am ये मेकअप उसमें मैंने किया. It was not about the makeup actually, but anyway that's not the point. The reel turned out so good. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I should be posting more reels on Instagram, so I am gonna do that. So yeah, follow me there. Just look at the mess I've created. Oh my god, I have to clear all of this before my mom comes at me. It feels so nice to wear makeup. I'm wearing makeup after I want to say 15 days now, or maybe more than that. Yeah, and I feel so super good right now. But anyway, remember I told you guys I want to talk to you about a product because of which I'm breaking out over here. It's this product right here. It's the Torton की Skin Essentials Night Serum. I remember मैंने अपने कोई तो एक vlog में I showed that I'm using this. I've incorporated this in my skincare routine. But at that time I never really realized कि why am I breaking out. But the other day I used this. I'm following a very good diet. So there is no chance कि मेरे खाने की वजह से मुझे breakouts हो रहे हैं. And there are no other reasons specifically. And so I was using this the other day. I don't use this every single day like my aloe vera gel. तो मैंने इसको उस दिन लगाया and suddenly I got so many pimples. It's not even real, and I realized that oh my god, this is the product because of which I'm breaking out. Maybe this product didn't suit me. I'm sure बहुत ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनको ये product अच्छा लगा होगा. First of all, it says that it's a night serum, but it also says that it's an anti-aging serum. So I really don't know what this product is. I am definitely not going to use whatever's left inside. Also, this was super expensive. Like this tiny little bottle was I think for $600-700, which is very expensive. And yeah, it also smells like something. It smells like mogra's. I don't know, very floral. But anyway, all in all, this product just did not work for me. And I am also planning to do an anti-haul wherein I'll be sharing all the products that I regret buying. So wait for that. It's gonna come up very soon on my channel. Hi guys, just a quick update. मेरी तबीयत अचानक से बहुत ख़राब हो गई. Like my head started paining. मुझे पेट में दर्द होने लगा, sneezing होने लगी काफ़ी ज़्यादा. So अभी के लिए मैंने सर पे बाम लगा रखा है and I'm lying down for some time, gonna rest for some time. I think I've exerted myself a little too much today since morning. घर का भी बहुत काम था since we don't have maids. So yeah, I wanted to do my skincare with you guys. मुझे अपना ये डॉक्टर बेलमोर का जो मैंने न्यू पैच किट ख़रीदा है वो आप लोग के साथ ट्राई करना था. बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई वांट टू रेस्ट एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. Hi guys, it's almost 12 o'clock. It's almost midnight and I am feeling much better now. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the skincare now because midnight हो चुका है and I'm very tired, very sleepy. Just wanted to let you know कि मैंने वो pimple patches लगा रखे हैं and I'm gonna sleep on it and like when I wake up in the morning, I might update you guys, but just in case if I forget, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and if you did, then you know what to do. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and of course जो मैंने Instagram pages नीचे लिंक करे हैं जिन्होंने फ्रॉड किया है, प्लीज़ उनको रिपोर्ट करना मत भूलना. It's a request. So yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.